Apple Event 2024. What to expect next month? Apple has just confirmed that it will hold its annual special event on September 9th. The flagship announcement is said to be the iPhone 16 lineup, but it's also expected new Apple Watch hardware, new AirPods, etc. Gad Insider has compiled all the major details expected from Apple's upcoming event. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are set to boast numerous notable updates over their predecessors. Here's a rundown of what to expect. Faster performance. The iPhone 16 model is said to be powered by a new A18 chip and paired with 8GB of RAM, up from 6GB. Moreover, this would enable Apple Intelligence support. Action button. The iPhone 16 will discard the mute switch in favor of a new programmable action button, just like the iPhone 15 Pro did last year. Capture button. On the right side of the iPhone 16, you'll find a new button dedicated to the camera. This camera button will perform as a quick way to open the camera app. You'd be able to zoom in and out and use it to bring pictures into focus. Smaller camera bump. The iPhone 16 is claimed to feature a smaller camera bump with vertically aligned lenses. This will enable spatial video recording, creating immersive content that can be viewed on Apple Vision Pro. New colors. The iPhone 16 would be available in 5 new colors: blue, green, pink, white, and black. iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple is set to announce the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max during its September event. Here are the details of what to expect from the new flagship iPhones. Bigger screens. The iPhone 16 Pro is set to sport a larger 6.3-inch display, up from 6.1 inches. The iPhone 16 Pro Max screen would increase from 6.7 to 6.9 inches. Capture button. The new iPhone 16 Pro would also integrate the new capture button. Once again, this will offer you a quick way to open the camera app, zoom in and out, and bring the camera into focus before taking a picture. The iPhone 16 Pro is said to provide a big increase in quality. According to multiple rumors, the ultra-wide camera would jump to 48MP quality, a major boost from the current 12MP lens. The smartphone is claimed to have the same 5-time optical zoom telephoto lens that came to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Specs advancements. New A18 Pro chip, larger batteries, an enhanced thermal design, Wi-Fi 7 support, and more. Pre-orders for the iPhone 16 Pro are set to begin on September 13th with the release of September 20th. Apple Watch Series 10. Along with the iPhone, Apple is also expected to unveil the Apple Watch Series 10 next month. According to several rumors, the Apple Watch is getting bigger this year. 41mm Apple Watch is set to increase to 45mm, while the 45mm model would increase to 49mm. With the large form factor, the Apple Watch Series 10 would also sport a larger display. According to leaked schematics, the two Apple Watch Series 10 models would have a 1.93-inch display, up from 1.77 inches. While the Apple Watch Series 10 would boast a large overall form factor, it will also be thinner than the current generation. It's said to receive a new health feature, including sleep apnea detection and hypertension detection. However, earlier it was reported that Apple has run into some serious snags with the development of these features. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 might be the least exciting announcement during Apple's September event. Currently, there have been very few rumors about what to expect from this year's new Apple Watch Ultra. The new models claim to integrate a new chip for enhanced performance, but analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has said it's expected almost no new hardware features. Mark Gurman has reported that it would receive a new chip, but no significant design change. Apple's preparing for a big shake-up to its AirPods lineup, and those changes will be announced next month. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has reported on Apple's plans to stop AirPods 2 and 3 this year and change them with 2 different AirPods 4 variants. These forthcoming AirPods 4 models are set to feature a design that blends the AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro, including shorter stems. However, unlike the AirPods Pro, neither variant will have replaceable tips, though they are expected to provide an improved fit. For AirPods Pro fans, rumors are that Apple isn't planning an upgrade until 2025. Additionally, the Cupertino-based tech giant is working on an updated version of AirPods Max with USB-C for charging, but it's unclear if those headphones would be announced in September or saved for later this year. Lastly, next month's Apple event would also include announcement about the launch date of Apple's next round of software updates: iOS 18, iPadOS 18, watchOS 11, tvOS 18, and visionOS 2.